Whole family of swallows. Okay, sure. Kitties. Wow, there's heaps of them. Random. Hey fellas. Just hanging around, eh? Oh, stopped all the chatter. They were very noisy. There we go. I love swallows. They sound so cool. Oh, that's fun. Anyway, I'm going to get back to work. So here I am, watering the yard. Giving it a spray down. That's where a tree was. Old tree stump. And spot another little fella. Coming towards me where I've just been watering. Oh, yeah mate. Smaller than your last one. Oh, that's two. There you go. That's really cool. So he was coming towards where I had the hose, following. So I put a heap of water into this little hole where the old orange tree stump was, and he went straight to it and climbed in. Hey, he went straight to it. Oh, that's cool. You're a little fella. Hey? G'day, buddy. What you doing? Huh? Just cruising around, eh? Alright, I'll leave you to it. I'm going to get back to watering. Just come outside to put a roast on the barbecue. How freaking cool is that? Looked out the window, I was like, wow, the whole sky's gone pink. Yeah. That's looking west. Sunset. G'day mate. What a beautiful afternoon. I love it. G'day mate. Awesome. Anyway, back to work.